Hello, greetings from Senior First. We all know that aging population is increasing at a dramatic speed, and so are health-related issues and comorbidities. With fast-changing demographics and increasing trend of nuclear families, our elderly population is left to deal with their own health issues themselves. They are unable to access healthcare when required because of maybe probably because of their physical inability, or maybe because they can't afford the treatment. It is possible that facility is far away, they are unable to access it, or maybe it is, if it is close by, maybe it is of poor quality, they don't want to do it. So what do we do in such cases? We need to provide them with accessible, affordable, and quality health care. So this is possible, and possible only with public and private partnership. No government can do it alone. So how do we do it? We need to encourage the home care solution. We have to bring home health care to their home by encouraging the training of the qualified personnel, health attendants and nurses, which can take care of their health in the convenience of their home, so that it becomes cheaper, it becomes cost effective, it becomes easy to access, and vitals and all minor health issues can be catered in the comfort of their home. Only for the serious illnesses, critical illnesses or surgeries, they need to go to hospital. So the burden on the hospital will be drastically reduced. So many developed nations are now using technology for healthcare. We can also use the advanced technology systems and promote teleconsultations, telemedicine, labs at home, and all such facilities can be provided at a click of a button. The same we are doing with our Senior First app. Download one app and you have a hospital in your pocket. You can readily access any kind of service you require in the comfort of your home. Secondly, we need to make life-saving and chronic medications affordable for all. So the affordability issue should not be there in the current era. So many generic medicines are available. They should be available. We have tied up with so many pharmacies. So elderlies can access our app and order the generic medicines for their treatment. We also encourage meaningful health insurances for all, so that in the time of need, such insurances can help in accessing of expensive health care. We need to keep the central medical record system so that we can organize our healthcare system and avoid misuse and overuse of the services. The big data will help the government in assessing the need of healthcare and allocating appropriate budget for it. So these are our recommendations, and these are solely our personal view and the views of the Seniors First, and we hope for the best for the elderly population, and we are always for their support. Thank you so much.